y'all? Silky Paris. I know it's been a few weeks at least since I posted a video. Just kind of not been feeling too creative. Just haven't barely been into it. But I'm back now. So today I just received in the mail some sublimation mask I ordered from Silky Socks. We're going to unbox those and press up some and see how they turn out. Nice packaging. Just the mask. Of course, my receipt. So I got the wholesale account with them. I paid $27.50 for 10 of them with $2.99 shipping. So $30.49 total for 10 of them with that wholesale account. I think the normal price on there is $5.50. Pressing instructions, which look really good. So I ordered the hexagon ones, these here. Open them up, see what one looks like. Nice thin material. They're definitely not medical grade, just for looks. But I'm also try like putting some extra cotton on them or whatever, reinforcing them and seeing if we can just reinforce them to be able to wear out on them essential runs, you know. But that'll be another video. But today I'm gonna just press some on there, see how it turns out. So for now, in this right here. Then I'm gonna get ready, get this heat press. It's already heated up. Get it ready. We're gonna press one of my designs on there. I'll see y'all in a second. So in the spirit of it being 4/20/20 today, let's put this across the mask for my design. Rather get high. I had these pressed up, so it made it all. They was already printed, so it's making it a lot easier. Just to give this a go. Wish that would have been a little bit bigger, but just a sample. We're just gonna try it out though. So they said 400 for 30 seconds. Let me check my time. Yeah, I was at 60. 400 degrees for 30 to 35. So I'm gonna just go to 35 just to be sure. Here we go. Take a little pressure off of that. See how it turned out. Came out pale, needed to heat longer. I don't know if this is gonna do anything. I'm gonna just give it a try. But as you can see, it didn't take much ink out of this paper. So it didn't press long enough. just check this temperature. Yeah, it needed more pressure. My heat press is heating at 400. Or it needed more time. It's heating consistently. 390, 400. So now I know it needs to go longer. 30 seconds ain't long enough. I'm gonna hold it up for you just to see. First failed attempt, but we'll be doing more. We'll see more. After this video ended, I realized I had subbed on the cotton side. So I redid one, and this was the final product. But as I was recording the video, redoing it, somebody called my phone, and them calling my phone ended up in my camera stopping, and I didn't know. But like I say, this was the actual final product. The first part of the video was operator error where I didn't get the color. That was actually subbed on the cotton side. But they work, you know, for style. They're definitely not medical grade. But, you know, you digging this content, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Seek Paris 12 Gone Apparel. I'm gone.